Hey guys, Logan Enduro Engineering here to show you how to install the front brake disc guard on the KTM, Husqvarna, and GasGas models. Alright, so it's pretty easy install. We've just got two bolts to remove. You got, well, the axle nut and then one bolt. So removing the axle nut on these is a 17. Just keep your pinch bolts tight on your forks. You don't have to loosen those up. That way you can get the axle nut off. So just remove that completely, and then take a 10mm and remove the bottom caliper bolt on the front brake. Okay, so the next step, you're just going to take the disc guard here, line it up, and then what you can do is take the axle nut and thread that on by hand. That way it's still loose. Then take the provided 8x55 bolt that's provided in the kit, put a little medium strength thread locker on it, and then thread that into the bolt you removed off of the caliper. So it's same 10mm, get that tight. Take 17, same axle nut, tighten that down as well. Alright, so that's how you install the front disc guard on the KTM, GasGas, and Husqvarna models. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit us at EnduroEng.com.